Hello. In this video, we're going to go over finding the limit of this function. So the first thing we're going to do is plug in 0. And what you're going to notice is we're going to get 1 over 10 minus 1 over 10 over 0. And we'll get a 0 over 0. The main thing that's an issue here is that we have a 0 in the denominator and we have a 0 in the numerator too. So we have to manipulate this in order to continue to solve. The first thing I realized is the first top part has two separate fractions. So what we're going to need to do is combine those fractions by multiplying by what the other denominator is missing. So, for example, the right denominator is missing an x plus 10. So I'll multiply top and bottom by x plus 10. And the left denominator is missing just a 10. So we'll multiply top and bottom by 10. Then we will rewrite 10 minus x plus 10 in parentheses all over 10x plus 10. We continue to solve by distributing the negative sign all over 10x plus 10. We see those 10s will cancel, and we are left with a numerator of negative x over 10x plus 10. And let us not forget that is just the numerator. And that is still all over our original denominator of just x. And we have to recall that we're still taking a limit. So as we clean up everything, the limit as x approaches 0. Now we see that we have a cleaned up version. We can now multiply the top and bottom by the reciprocal of the denominator. That way we can cancel out our denominator down here. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. And what you'll notice is now these two will cancel. And our x on our denominator is now gone. That restriction of that 0 on the denominator is now gone. So now I can rewrite the limit as x approaches 0 of negative 1 over 10x plus 10. Then you're just going to plug 0 into x, and that's it. Negative 1 over 10, 0 plus 10, which is going to be negative 1 over 10 times 10, which is going to be negative 1 over 100. And that is your final answer.